Hey my friends. In this video I'm showing step by step on how to remove the green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay. Here you can see I have a video that has a green screen on it. So, to remove it all, what you have to do is click on Windows. Here you have to make sure that the effects option is enabled. Now move on to this side. Here type in key. Move down and select the Ultra key. Drag and drop it into video in the timeline. Click here and then select Effect Control. Near the key color, click on the pencil tool. Come into the video preview window and then click on the green screen color. Done. Here you can see the green color background has been removed. So, if you have any background video, you can just replace it and there you go. So that's how you can remove the green screen on the video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Until next time.